Students, these are atomic mass, molecular mass and mole concept, the last part of this chapter. So, what is atomic mass? Obviously, from the atom, if we calculate the mass of the atoms will be the atomic mass, right? So, on the basis of like molecular mass, if we take the H2, this is a molecule obviously. So, if we can measure the mass of H1H, so it will be the atomic mass, and like this if we take H2, this is a molecule. So, if we can measure this H2 or HCl, so different types of molecules. So, if we can measure the mass of the molecule, so this is a molecular mass, but this is not so easy because the mass of the atoms as well as molecules are too negligible to calculate, too low to calculate. So, we have to be in a respective mode. On the basis of this, what is the respective mode? First one, this is the relative atomic mass. What is that? When any of the element has, we have to calculate any of the atomic mass of any of the atoms, we have to be in a reference of a C12, 12C carbon element, carbon atom. Like this is the equation of this atomic, relative atomic mass. If we take any of the atomic mass, so mass of relative atomic mass is equal to mass of one atom of mass of one atom of an element divided by 1/12 of the mass of one atom of 12C, that means the C12 carbon, C12. So, what is that? Mass of one atom of element, this is a very negligible part, we have to divide on the basis of 1/12th part of mass of one atom of 12C. 12C is a one of the carbon, normal carbon is a 12C. We have to discuss later. So, this is the carbon atom. So, on the basis of this is the reference. So, on the basis of this 12C and multiply by the 112 part of the this, we can easily calculate the relative atomic mass, and this is a round off mass. We can easily use these of in a different types of numericals. So, first of all, this is the thing. Now, after this molecular mass, like this relative molecular mass, same as this relative molecular mass, same as when we have to calculate the different types of mass of molecules, we have to mention this. So, this is the mass of one molecule of any of the element, divided by 1/12 the mass of one atom of 12C. So, now comes to the numericals. What is that? So, on the basis of this, there are different types of theoretical value of the atomic mass of some elements, like hydrogen has 1 atomic mass. Oxygen has how many? There are hydrogen, oxygen, helium, lithium. There are lots of back to back hydrogen. And so on. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My suggestion will be, you have to remember at least up to 20. 20 is for calcium. So, from 1 to 20 you have to be in your mind that there is a number of atomic mass of this, right. So, this is the thing, atomic masses of some of the elements. Now, if we on the basis of this, if we want to calculate the molecular mass, atomic mass are this. So, if we want to calculate the molecular mass of H2, what will be the calculation, what will be the result? H means 2H means 2 of H plus oxygen. So, how many? 1, 2 into 1 plus oxygen has 8. So, 8. So, how many? 2 plus 8, it will be 10. So, this is the molecular mass of H2. Like this, if we take normal lots of different thing, if we take NaF, sodium fluoride, sodium has how many? 11. Fluorine has 9, so it will be 20. Like this, we can easily calculate the molecular mass as well as atomic mass on the basis of this. Now, last part of this topic will be the mole concept. So, what is mole concept? Mole concept means as a pile of the masses. Pile of the masses, like in the laboratory method, in the regular use of this, there is a term mole concept arises, because this is when we have to take part of different lots of greater compound. We have to take part of this. Part of this means is as a whole, as a unit. Okay, so if we take 1 mole of any of the atoms, will be exactly 1 mole of the elements will be exactly equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Okay, so this is the Avogadro number. This is the Avogadro number. This is the Avogadro number. So 1 mole exactly equivalent to the 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Okay, so any types of 1 mole of any of the element will be exactly equal to this, and like this is a 22.4 liter. This is a very useful equation to calculate different types of numericals. So this is a 22.4 liter of any of the volume. So this is the ultimate term, any of the, if we take the hydrogen, so hydrogen 1 mole sum of the number of atomic mass will be equal to this and will be equal to this. So on the basis of this, we have to calculate some of the numericals. First numericals, first of all, if we take one numericals, here calculate the number of, first numericals, calculate the number of moles in 5.75 gram of sodium. Here given atomic mass of sodium will be 23. Right? Okay, fine. So this is the atomic mass of sodium is 23. Okay. Now, what will be calculated here? So now 23 gram of sodium will be equal to 1 mole. So how many numbers of moles 5.75 gram of sodium has? So 23 gram of sodium will be equal to 1 mole. So simple thing, 5.75 gram of sodium will be equal to how many mole? So it will be 5.75 divided by 23 moles. So what will be the answer? It will be on the basis of this. So students, previously the structure of 1, 2, 3, we just mentioned that this is the atomic number, not the atomic mass. Okay, so that's the basic difference between atomic number and atomic mass. 1, 2, 3, hydrogen, helium, lithium. So different types of these things are on the basis of atomic number. These are exactly equal, but the atomic mass are different. In case of hydrogen, the atomic number and atomic mass not exactly equal, but in case of sodium, as we can see, this is the sodium, atomic mass of sodium is 23, but the atomic number of sodium was 11. So that's the two chart I just drawn that. So this is the atomic number, not the atomic mass. You can easily get that theoretical value of the atomic mass in your book. So you have to memorize these types of atomic number as well as atomic masses, right? So this is the thing. So atomic mass of sodium either maybe given or not. So it is a 23. Okay, next part is another one, numericals. Another one, numericals. Okay, second one. What is the mass in grams of a single atom of chlorine? Here also given atomic mass of chlorine will be 35.5, right? So what is the mass in grams of a single atom of chlorine? Mass in grams, right? So first of all, that equation 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, 6.022 to 10 to the power 23. Okay, so single atom means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Number of atoms have how many mass? How many mass? That is the 1 mole and as well as 35.5 gram. So we have to calculate the 1. So 6.022 10 to the power 23 have the 1 mole of chlorine, right? That means the 35.5 gram, because the atomic mass of chlorine is this. So 35.5 grams. So we have to calculate this 35.5 divided by this one, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram of one atom has this amount of mass, right? So this is the thing. Okay, next one and third one on the basis of 22.4 liter. Just now see, last calculate the volume. Now the next part, volume in liters of 20 gram of hydrogen gas in STP, that is standard temperature and pressure. So calculate the volume in liters of 20 gram. Okay, so what is that? Calculate the volume in liters in 20 gram of hydrogen gas in STP. So first of all, that equation you have in your mind. So hydrogen has atomic mass. So we need the atomic mass. Their atomic mass will be equal to number of moles, will be equal to number of atoms and will be equal to the volume. So we here we can take the two part, that is one is atomic mass. So my atomic mass, first equation 22.4 liter will be equal to how many hydrogen? That is the 1 hydrogen. So if we interchange this, we can easily see that is the, we can easily observe that this is the number of hydrogen will be equal to the mass of hydrogen divided by molecular mass of hydrogen gas, molecular mass of hydrogen in grams. So what is that? 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. So ultimately, so volume of hydrogen will be equal to the number of moles into standard molecule volumes. So ultimately it will be equal to 10 into 22.4 liter will be 224 liters. ठीक है सर? Fine. Okay, so there are lots of numerical problems here. So you can prepare on this, on the basis of this, and okay, thank you students.